Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a professional-looking food menu in Canva. Creating a food menu in Canva is very easy, and in a few steps, you can design a great-looking menu. So if you own a restaurant, cafe, hotel, or lodge, this video is perfect for you, and you can easily create your own menu. If you don't know about Canva, it's a fantastic website designed for beginners. The best part is, even if you have no experience in graphic design, video editing, or documentation design, Canva offers you pre-made templates created by professionals and creatives, which you can fully customize. So without delay, create an account in Canva. After creating your account, you'll see this interface. To design your menu, you just need to search for Food Menu in the search bar. You'll see a lot of options. Just scroll down and customize whichever you like. Alright, you can also create menus in various dimensions. For example, this one is foldable, and there are many more options in any dimensions you want. For example, I like this one, and it's free as well. If you don't find the perfect or expected one, just scroll down and explore more. There are hundreds of options. Once you find one you like and that suits your needs, just customize it. For example, if I like this one and want to modify it, to edit text, double-click on it, and you can easily add or remove anything. To change the font color, just click on Text Color, and now you can update it like this. If you want to add your own food image, just go to the Upload section and add your food image as well. For example, upload from your computer and it will appear. Your image will appear here. For example, this is a food image. Or you can upload it from your computer and drag it like this. If you want to add food images from the Canva library, this option is also available. Go to Elements and search for any food. Like for me, maybe I want a burger. So I will go to Photos. These are the paid ones, but just pick a free one. Maybe this is a free one, and I will just remove the previous one and add the burger. I will just replace it with the burger image. Also, what you can do is simply replace it. So, for example, this is the burger I want to add, or replace it with this one. Just drag it. I have replaced it. I can reposition it as well. And now I'll update the information about it. Maybe burger, burger, and chicken. So like this, you can play around, just like this. You can change anything. Change the price, everything you want to modify. Everything you want. If you want to change the color of this, you can do that too. If you want to add your own logo, just upload it from your computer. For example, this is the logo, and I will add my own logo like this. If you want different designs, go to Templates, and you'll find lots of options available there as well. Like this, you can explore more templates made for you and just modify them. Then you're ready to add your information, add your food items, details, logos, branding, everything. Once you are satisfied with your design and you are ready to go and you have reviewed your design, everything looks good and everything is in the correct order, to download it, go to Share option, then Download. If you want to download or print, choose the PDF file to print your menu out. If you want to share or post on social media, go to Download and select PNG. Then post it on your social media. So just download it. That's the simple way to create a professional-looking restaurant menu or food menu for your business. I'll see you in the next video. So just download it.